How to block someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on your chat at the bottom. Then click on the person you want to block. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on their name at the top. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on Manage Friendship, which is the second option. In here, you'll find Block. Click on Block, which is the first option, and then click on Block again, and the person will be blocked on your Snapchat. This is how to block someone on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.